Hi, I'm Paul Harris with Aurora Multimedia, talking to you from InfoComm 2023, and I am pleased to talk about the TPG-8K. So it is the latest product from Aurora that is an 8K generator and analyzer all in one. What makes this very unique is it is the first ever SDVoE generator. In addition to the HDMI in and out, it has a full bi-direction SDVoE option card that comes inside of it that will allow you to connect it right into the network and start doing your test pattern generation right from it. But we went more than that. We did it so that it's AV over IP centric, which a lot of generators have not focused on. So a lot of the test patterns in it are not just focused on the normal everyday convergence and color patterns and all that other stuff, but it focuses on AV over IP. So what does that mean? We created a very unique pattern. As you can see, this is something that you've never seen before. We encapsulate time coding into the pattern so that it can survive the compression regardless of whose AV over IP system it is. And then it can read back what the latency on it is. So in this case, it's just a hair over 2 milliseconds. Now our AV over IP product normally does 1.78 milliseconds, so what it's showing you is the latency including the network switch, because people don't realize even the network switch can add in latency. The generator can also detect frame dropping as well. So if you have an unstable network, we can detect the frame drops from it. In addition to that, once we feed a source into this, or a destination into this, I should say, not only can you see the image on the front of it, but it will tell you the EDIT information about it. It will also tell you the color space, the resolution, and other information about the audio and so forth. So it analyzes the actual signal itself and reports it back to you to understand what's going on in the system. And then the output, we have a web browser built into it. It's got a 7-inch touch panel also. And as you can see, we got a lot of different patterns in here. So now what we did is, since we understand that many techs do not know what the patterns are meant for, we really made it easy for everybody. Sometimes I don't even know what some of these patterns are for. So we put little help menus in here to tell you what the pattern is meant for. So never seen that in a little pattern generator before. You can save favorites in here, and eventually you'll be able to load up your own custom patterns as this keeps moving along. But as you can see, you can change audio formats, video formats. You can see the analyzer. And then what we're just looking at, which was the loop latency frame drop tests. So let's start that, and there we go. So this is, it's also battery powered, by the way. There's always something more to talk about. And I think it holds about up to 3 hours of battery, and it comes with a handy dandy case, which has got our awesome logo on it. Gotta love it. So now you know exactly where to go to, which is auroramm.com. Don't forget about us. This will be shipping by the end of the summer. And thank you very much for your time.